Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm breaking down a topic every Java developer needs to master: exception handling in Java. Seriously, exceptions can make or break your application, literally. In this video, you'll learn what exceptions are, the types, how to handle them, and the best practices to make your code cleaner and more robust. So, what is an exception? In simple terms, it's an event that disrupts the normal flow of your program. In Java, exceptions are actually objects that describe an error condition, and good news, Java has a built-in system for handling them, using try-catch-finally blocks. Now, let's talk about types of errors. First, compile time errors. These are usually syntax mistakes your IDE points out. Next, runtime errors, things that go wrong when you run your code. And logical errors, the sneaky ones that don't break the program but mess up your results. Check this out. Try int result equal sign 10 zeroths. Catch arithmetic exception E. System out println cannot divide by 0. Alright, on to types of exceptions. Java exceptions fall into three big buckets. First, checked exceptions like IO exception or SQL exception. These must be either caught or declared in your method signature. Then, unchecked exceptions, such as null pointer exception or array index out of bounds exception. These happen at runtime, and you don't have to catch or declare them. Finally, there are errors like out-of-memory error or Stack Overflow error. These are serious problems you usually don't handle in code. For example, public void, read file, string file name, throws IO exception, file reader file equal sign new file reader file name. Let's break down try-catch finally. The try block wraps code that might throw an exception. Catch handles specific exceptions. Finally, always runs no matter what. Example time. Try, string text, equal sign null, system.out.println, text.length. Catch, null pointer exception E, system out println, null value encountered. Finally, system out println, this will always run. Now, what's the difference between throw and throws? Throw is used when you want to manually throw an exception. Throws declares in the method signature that something might go wrong. Example. Public void validate age int age. If age 18, throw new illegal argument exception, not eligible to vote. Public void load data throws IO exception / logic that may throw IO exception. You can even create your own exceptions by extending the exception class. Like this. Class invalid user exception extends exception public invalid user exception string message, super message. Public void check user string username throws invalid user exception if username equal sign null vertical bar username dot I is empty. Throw new invalid user exception username cannot be empty. If an exception isn't caught in a method, it propagates up to the calling method. Stack traces help you figure out how it got there. Example. Public void method 1, method 2, public void method 2, int x equals 1 divided 0. Best practices? Catch only known exceptions. Avoid using generic exception in catch blocks. Use meaningful messages. Always clean up resources. Try with resources is your friend, and never swallow exceptions silently. Here's a quick try with resources example. Try buffered reader br equal sign new buffered reader, new file reader data txt. System.out.println br.readline. Catch IO exception e.print stack trace. Let's quickly recap. We covered what exceptions are, checked versus unchecked exceptions, try-catch finally, custom exceptions, and best practices. Mastering exception handling will not only make you a better Java developer, but also make your applications reliable and user-friendly. If this video helped you, hit that like button. Subscribe for more Java deep dives and let me know in the comments. What's your most common exception while coding? Thanks for watching and keep coding.